Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is the shining light. You are the lighthouse. You are the spotlight. You are the lifeboat, the raft. You are the torch that's burning, that's leading everyone out of danger, out of their wilderness, out of the troubled waters, out of the storm. Congratulations for your evolution, for your strength. Continue to shine, baby, shine, because you're leading yourself not only to your promised land, to your greatness, to your manifestations, to your breakthroughs, but so many people you don't even understand has eyes on you, and they're following you to the T, to the punctuation mark, because they also want to thrive and evolve and upgrade their life. So continue to take responsibility for yourself. For the rest of the world is hoping that you take responsibility for them also, because I need you. The world needs you. My desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength. Fear fears you. Once you look in an eye, it shall cower, and then you're on your way to breakthroughs, and you make the way for others to follow. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul, and I discover the light that dwells within me. So shine, baby, shine. Let nothing dim your light, and in due time, the light that you've been looking for, you shall be upgraded to. It will be way bigger and better than what you can expect. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.